There were records around on the last day of trading in New York for 2020. We thought there were going to be two, and in the end it turned out just to be one. The markets closed at the highs for the day, and not surprisingly, given everything that's been happening in the last few months at the stock exchange in New York, the markets rallied strongly into the brand new year. So here's the numbers then. The Dow closing at a record. It's 14th of the year, up 0.6%. The Nasdaq, we thought that was going to be at record levels. In the end, it just slipped back a little bit, but it was up by 1/14%. The Dow was up 0.6%, I think I said, and the S&P 500 ahead by 0.6% as well. But what's important is what they did for the year. The Dow was ahead by around 6 or 7%. The Nasdaq up 43%, extraordinary. And the broad market, the S&P 500, up for the day, the week, the month, and the year. It was up 16% for the year. And what a year 2020 has been. We had that huge sell-off from the highs of February back to March or April time, when the Dow was down by about 10,000 points. And then this strong recovery, which has been fueled by so much stimulus coming into the economy, being available for people to put into stocks. Is it a bubble? It could well be. Doesn't necessarily mean, though, that the bubble will burst in a bad way. We shall have to see what happens in 2021. The markets have signaled that they're happy to work with the incoming administration of Joe Biden. But there is that little issue of the Georgia Senate runoff coming up in about 5 days' time that could determine the outcome of who controls the Senate. And that could be key to what the markets do in 2021. But for now, we say goodbye 2020 and an extraordinary year for stock trading. John Terrett, CGTN, New York.